Hello, Peter here again, your Pinoy accountant. So in this video, we'll just have a quick question and answer about the registration of your manual books of accounts. So if you are using this is called the manual books of accounts. So it could be you have the cash receipts journal, cash disbursements journal, general ledger, and general journal. So ito yung mga tanong is, when is the deadline to register? So if you are a new registrant, so the deadline is before the filing of your first quarterly income tax return or your annual income tax return, whichever comes first or earlier. So tandaan nyo lang, if for example, nag-register kayo ng October 2024, so yung deadline niyan is before the filing of your annual income tax return of April 15. But I do suggest na pagka-register ninyo, nakuha kayo ng registration, yung COR ninyo, i-register nyo kaagad ang inyong books of account. So that magagamit na kaagad ninyo, if ever may mga transactions kayo, you can record it immediately doon sa mga books of accounts ninyo. So second is, paano naman yung mga existing na mga taxpayers natin? Kailan ba yung deadline? Diba? Ito yung madalas na tanong, diba? If kailan ba yung deadline? So yung deadline yan is before you use the books, before sa paggamit, before nyo gamitin yung books nyo, kailangan yung i-register yan. So that is somehow related dun sa question number 2 natin is, required ba annually mag-register? So, register ng books of accounts. We are talking about the manual books of accounts. Iba kasi yung pag-loose leaf or yung computerized accounting system, which is every year yung kanilang deadline, January 15 of every year. So sa atin ng mga manual books of accounts, the answer is no. So kailangan lang natin mag-register pag paubos na yung current natin ng mga books of accounts, pag paubos na yung mga pages, pag sa tingin nyo, malapit na maubos, so that's the time that you will register your books of accounts. But in most cases, or there are some cases, na gusto ng ibang taxpayer na every year sila mag-register ng kanilang new sets of books, pwede din yon. So if gusto nyo every January bago yung sets of books niyo, mag-register kayo before January. So mga December pa lang i-register niyo yung yung books niyo for the January, so that January 1 or 2 pa lang, kasi January 1 close most of the tindahan, most of the stores ay close pag January 1. So pag January 2 pa lang, 'di ba, if may mga sales na kayo, pwede niyo nang gamitin ang inyong books of accounts. So, 'yon, register before maubos yung inyong pages ng inyong books of accounts. So, how do you register ba yung books of accounts? So, wala na yung pupunta tayo sa RDO so that tatakan nila yung manually tatak doon sa page ng ating books of accounts. Wala na yon. So, this time, online, high-tech na tayo.